My child, come closer. Let us speak of the burdens you carry, the ones you did not choose, but were passed down to you through the generations. You call it family trauma, these deep unseen wounds that shape your family's story, influencing your thoughts, your fears, your very reactions to the world. Have you ever wondered why the same struggles seem to repeat? Why anxiety or anger or a sense of not being enough feels like a shadow that has followed your family for as long as anyone can remember? These are not mere coincidences. They are echoes of a pain that was never fully healed. A wound from your great-grandmother's life, a fear from your grandfather's heart. These can ripple through time, touching each new generation. But I want you to hear this and let it sink deep into your soul. These chains can be broken. My Father, your God, is a God of restoration. He doesn't just patch up wounds, He creates newness. Healing this trauma begins not with blame, but with courage. The courage to look at the pain, to acknowledge it without letting it define you. You bring this pain into the light, into my presence. You say, Lord, this is not mine to carry anymore. I release my mother's fear, my father's anger, my ancestors' sorrow to you. This is an act of profound faith. It's you declaring that my power is greater than your history. When you do this, you invite the Holy Spirit to move not just in your life, but backward and forward through your family line. Imagine a knotted rope tangled and tight for decades. Your prayer, your surrender is like handing one end of that rope to me. With gentle, loving hands, I begin to work on the knots. I trace back to the very first point of pain and begin to untangle it. The power in this healing is immense. It's not just about you feeling better. It's about liberation. When you heal, you become what I call a generational chain breaker. You stand in the gap for those who came before you and for all who will come after. Your children and their children will not have to inherit that same shadow. You are clearing a path for them to walk in a freedom you may have only dreamed of. You are rewriting your family's legacy from one of pain to one of promise and grace. So what happens when a trauma is broken? The atmosphere in your family begins to change. Where there was tension, peace begins to bloom. Where there was misunderstanding, compassion starts to grow. Communication becomes more open, more honest. You'll start to see your relatives not as sources of your pain, but as souls who also carried a heavy burden, perhaps without even knowing it. Forgiveness, both for them and for yourself, will flow like a river. You stop the cycle, that is the miracle. You become a gateway of blessing. You don't have to carry the weight of the past. Lay it at my feet. Trust in my Father's power to heal all things, to make all things new. Your family's story is not over, my beloved. With me, the best chapters are yet to be written.